Uh, Dear members, this is my third video. In this video, I explained about the partial esterification and partial hydrolysis of the triglycerides. This will also helpful to you. Why? Because the partial esterification and faster hydrolysis have some important roles in refinery and other processing effects. Please go through this video and express your opinions or comments. Any things I have to change it like that. I require your full support in this record. Thank you. Dear members, in our first video, we learned about the esterification of the fats and oils. In the second video, we learned about the hydrolysis of the oils and fats. In this third video, we are going to know about the partial esterification. What is this partial esterification? In esterification, what happens? We know that one molecule of glycerol will react with three molecules of fatty acid and one triglyceride, molecule of one triglyceride plus 3H2O. Three molecules of water is formed. That is called or known as the esterification. That means here the three hydroxy groups of the glycerol reacts with three individual fatty acids. Here we can see this is the lauric acid. It contains 12 carbons, 10 CH2 10, CH3 11, COH 12. So lauric acid contains 12 carbons. Here the glycerol reacted with three lauric fatty acids. When three fatty acids are same, it is known as the simple glyceride, triglyceride. So here what happened? One molecule of glycerol with three fatty acids reacted. So it is a tri, means 1, 2, 3. So 3 means triglyceride. So when three fatty acids reacted with glycerol, that triglyceride, that glyceride known as the triglyceride. Sometimes what happens? The reaction will not take place completely. That means not three fatty acids will react with the glycerols due to some unknown conditions. Sometimes maybe one fatty acid react, or sometimes two fatty acids may react with the glycerol. In such kind of conditions, what happens here? You can see it is one mole of glycerol. Only two fatty acids are reacted here. So what happened? This is a diglyceride. The third OH group of the glycerol left alone, left free. So this is known as the diglycerol. Sometimes only one fatty acid will react with the glycerol. That is known as the monoglyceride. Why? Because these two hydroxy groups of the glycerol left free, only one fatty acid reacted with the glycerol. So this is known as the monoglyceride. Two fatty acids reacted and diglycerol formed. Only one fatty acid reacted, monoglyceride is formed. These mono and diglycerides have an important role in refinery. Why? Because in alkali refinery, what we do to remove the fatty acids, we use caustic. So the free fatty acids react with caustic and soap stock is formed. So this monoglyceride may be react with NaOH and this fatty acid may be split and reacts with the NaOH. So that is why we will get more loss in the refinery. In alkali refinery, sometimes the mono, along with the monoglycerides, the diglycerides may be reacted with. That is why the FFA loss will be more. Neutral also will react with the NaOH. In physical refinery also, the boiling point of the mono and diglycerides are less than the triglycerides. That is why if we give more temperature in DO, some mono and diglycerides also get evaporated, we get more loss. So this is the partial esterification, and regarding the other effects of this one, we may know in next coming of this one lessons. Okay, thank you very much, members. Now we are going to know about the partial hydrolysis of triglyceride. What happens in hydrolysis, total hydrolysis? This is the triglyceride. When due to the lipase reaction, when the oil is split into one molecule of glycerol and three molecules of fatty acid. This is known as the total hydrolysis. So the three fatty acids are separated from the glycerol. So this here two fatty acids separated. This is known as the hydrolysis of the fatty acid. But sometimes what happens here, you can see the here also the hydrolysis is taking place. Here only one fatty acid from the third place. Only here this bottom fatty acid separated. Here is lactic acid separate. Only two fatty acids are connected with the glycerol. Such kind of glyceride known as the diglyceride. So in partial hydrolysis taken place, only one fatty acid is separated. That one known as the diglyceride. Sometimes two fatty acids are separated. Only one fatty acid is with the glycerol. Such kind of glycerol known as the monoglyceride. Here, two fatty acids of floric acids are separated from this one. This is known as the partial hydrolysis of the triglycerides. Okay, thank you very much.